Hello again. Today's experiment is called A Tiny Drop Makes a Big Change. For this experiment, you're going to need your beaker, the purple sweet potato powder, 3 small test tubes, the test tube holder, your yellow measuring spoon, and a pipette. You'll also need from home water, lemon juice, vinegar, and vanilla. Take your water and add 10 milliliters of water to your beaker. To that, I'm going to mix in 2 large level spoonfuls of the sweet potato powder. Make sure that your spoonfuls are level. Now just mix all of that up. And then we'll set this aside to use later. Now take your pipette and put 5 milliliters of lemon juice into test tube number 1. Then rinse it well, because we're going to use this for the vinegar next. 5 milliliters of vinegar go into test tube number 2. And rinse well one more time, because we're going to use this one more time for the vanilla. Here we go. Last one, the vanilla. 5 milliliters of vanilla into test tube number 3. Now for the fun. We're going to add 2 drops of the purple sweet potato water into each one of these test tubes and see what happens. Here we go. 2 drops into the lemon juice. 1, 2. 2 drops into the vinegar. And 2 drops into the vanilla.